guys! So, hello, I'm so sorry. I'm back. So basically, I have been a little MIA for about 2 weeks. I think I have not done 2 uploads that I was meant to do, and for that I am extremely sorry, yet you're still all commenting and subscribing and hello if you're new, and it's amazing to see like the channel still be so active even when I'm not, so thank you. But basically today I'm going to explain in a way, as you can see by the title of this video, today I'm going to be giving you a uni update because I have now been here. I should have definitely looked this up before I started filming. I believe I am in my 9th week here. So I've been here over 2 months. What? So I thought it was definitely time that I update you on a lot of stuff. So actually, in the video, I think you'll be able to see some of the reasons why I was so busy, and hence why I just like had 2 weeks where it was too much. Like I said, won't happen again, but you'll see hopefully this like explains it a little bit to you. So I asked on Twitter if you guys wanted an update. If you don't follow me, please do, because you often get to pick what video you see like first, second, third, etc. So this was the one that was most popular, and I do genuinely think that this is going to be useful for you if you're thinking of studying here, studying the same degree as I do, studying something similar, or if you're nosy. Like, it can be useful, or this just can be a nosy video for you, because I am going to be basically telling you all about the like academic stuff that we do, and how like I found the beginning of it. I'm going to be telling you all about the like social side of stuff, so like the societies and the clubs and that kind of thing that I'm involved in, and then a little update on like where I live and who I live with and that kind of thing. And also I'm repping today in my hoodie. Not that you can see. Okay, so we're going to start with academic stuff because I feel like that's a solid place to start, and the responsible place to start is with the academic stuff. And I will quickly tell you like a little bit about my course because that's what I've been doing with my days. But I think that I got quite lucky with my timetable. I do have one day where I only have one thing, I only have an hour, and it's right in the morning, so I like get up and I have the rest of the day, which is really fortunate. And I was surprised. I thought I'd have more contact hours, though I don't know if my brain could take any more, but yeah, I did think I'd have maybe a few more, and I know that some of the courses have way less and some other courses have way more, so that's quite variable, but I'm happy with my timetable. So within that, I basically have a mixture of lectures. I have tutorial, so I have that once every 2 weeks. I have like practical based lectures, which aren't content, they're more about what you're going to do in labs and stuff, and I have the labs themselves. So the courses that I do, in case you're interested, none of these were optional, these are all compulsory in the first year, so everyone has to do them, and there's quite a lot of overlap in the biosciences. So I'm in a lot of lectures with friends who do biology, biomedical sciences, cellular and molecular biology, and also some natural scientists who've picked biochemistry modules are in I think 2 of my lectures, so there you go if you're interested. And we've got cellular and molecular biology, genetics, biochemistry 1, which is obviously for this semester, and then it changes, the practical based one, and then I have chemistry. So effectively I have 3 kind of biological based ones, and 1 chemistry and 1 practical, and that practical also has optional maths things. So like I go to an extra maths thing on a Monday because I didn't do A-level maths, so yes, that takes up an extra hour of my time, and it does take me a little bit longer to do some of the like maths quizzes and stuff. So if you're thinking of studying biochemistry and haven't yet picked your A-levels, I would recommend doing maths. Well, I find everything enjoyable. Like there's not one particular top like course that I don't enjoy. They're all really good. The labs have been like a really nice mix of new stuff and like more familiar techniques. So yeah, out of cellular and molecular, genetics and biochemistry, I think funnily enough, I find the biochemistry one is probably my favourite. It's had some bits in it I really haven't liked, some enzyme stuff that's like not fun, but in general I do enjoy that one, and I do really enjoy the cellular and molecular things. There's some biotechnology we've been doing recently and I enjoy that a lot, and genetics is alright, but like there's been a lot of genetics. It's been like genetics overkill, so that is probably my least favourite. Chemistry has been basically in like quite a lot of new stuff. Not a lot of it has been an extension from A-level until more recently we started like recovering some mechanisms, but it's been good, and the way that that's taught is in a smaller group because only biochemists take chemistry for biochemistry, so it's been in a smaller room and like a little bit more taught, so he writes along with us, so because he's writing it's slower, so we end up being like taught more, so I enjoy the structure of that. That one's good. So the kind of like assignments I've had to do, in case you're interested, I just feel like no one shares this information before you get here, so I'll tell you. I've had some tutorial work, so I've had to do an essay and presentation, obviously like biologically based. But that's what I've had to do for my tutorial. We had to learn the names and structures of the amino acids as well. That was fun. And then we've had maths quizzes every week. And then I've had a couple of other just like practical based quizzes. They're like all done online basically on a website called Moodle. We love Moodle. And so that's the kind of like stuff we've been set. We've also obviously had to catch up lecture notes, like make sure you understand all that. And then finally we have lab-based reports. We've been given the lab reports split up into sections and then set every couple of weeks. So rather than handing in a whole lab report, we get like time to do each section. So I've done an introduction, I've done methods, and I've done results and a bit of discussion. So those are the things I've done so far for the lab, and then next semester we'll do them all in one go and just hand it in as like one big report. Nothing that I like haven't been able to handle so far, which has been nice because I think they don't want you to be like overwhelmed by that. They want you to try like lots of new stuff as well. Going on to the new stuff, let's do societies and that kind of thing. Okay, so I'm going to quickly talk you through, I've got them written down on my computer here, the societies I'm in, starting off with BUBS, which is the Bath University Biological Sciences Society or something like that. We don't do much with them, but like it's good to be part of the society. I think they have like events throughout the year and stuff. I am also part of the yoga society. I've been to a grand total of 1 class, but I am technically part of the society. And then the two that probably I spend more time in fact I barely don't spend any time in this next one, but it's still like more of a big deal in my life than yoga and BUBS, and that is cheer. So basically I am in POM, so there is a whole variety of different types of cheer. There's basically stunting split into like big squad stunting where they do the throwing and a little bit of dance and the tumbling. There's that. There's group stunt, which is just stunting in smaller groups. Then there's the dance side of cheer, if we've got those two, and then we've got the dance side. There's hip hop, jazz, small pom, which is like a smaller, like auditioned competition team, and large pom, which is a freshers only, like sign up team. And I am part of small pom, so I'm in like a group of 10 people, 12 people maybe, who do pom dance. If you don't know what that is, pom-poms and a lot of really sharp moving your arms around, and those jumps that you see cheerleaders do where they're like woo, woo, and they do like straddle jumps. It's a lot of that basically, and we do it to really fun like pop song mashups. That's like the vibe. So that is what I do. Here's my sparkly bow and my, see look, I've got props and everything. My cheer bath top with my name on the back. Things I do with my time, I only train for that once a week, so not that much of my time really. And then the thing that has taken up most of my time is a society called Bosoms, which is the Bath University Students Musical Society. There we go. And I just finished a show with them. That's the main reason why I've been so busy. So we did A Night with the Stars, which is a musical review basically of a bunch of different musical numbers, about 17 or 18 I think that they put together, and you could audition to be in some and then just be in some if you wanted to. So I did 6 numbers in that show, like really enjoyable. I did that with one of my flatmates who I'm sure you'll meet in a future video. That just finished last weekend, and if I've got any pictures hopefully I'll be showing them on screen right now. Hi Alex. So on to life here. Life that we're living in halls. A little update on that. I did get my first choice accommodation, which is really nice. I really love it here. I love my room. I love like the way it's all laid out and like where we are on campus, and like that's ideal. Obviously not gonna literally tell you my location, but you will be able to tell if you really wanted to which accommodation I was in because of the way my room is. Room tour coming soon. So I also have a very lovely mix of people. I'm sure you will see them in other videos. I have some fun videos that I think that we can all do, so they are up my sleeve. But for now, you just need to know that they're nice, and that, yeah, we do a lot of nice things, like we do like cooking together and stuff. We've had a lot of Harry Potter recently, that's been the thing. We just did our Secret Santa today, that's exciting, and I'm excited to like show you round, because I think that this section of the video will be enhanced majorly by you actually like seeing and meeting everyone. But life has been good. We get eat and drink credit on our library cards. Mine's in the slot because it powers the room, but basically it means we can go and eat stuff, not for free because we paid for it as part of our accommodation, but like it's not coming out your bank account, so it feels like it's free, which is tempting. We love a good crepe. We love a good Cornish pasty from the pasty place. Everyone is obsessed with the pizzas at like one of the food places that we have quite close to us, and I don't like them because the cheese makes me feel ill, but I have the one with no cheese, it's fine. We just have like little rituals and stuff that we seem to have got into, and I'm sure in future videos I will bring those up. I am absolutely so excited to do a like day in my life video where you guys follow me around, because I think that you'll really enjoy that, and I think I'll really enjoy having a document of it. So, and everyone pretty much on this floor does a science degree. I think they like specifically put us all together. So many of them, chemistry and physics and natural sciences and biology and another biology and another biology. So that's really nice because we all help each other. And we're actually going to view a house today, which is really exciting. So update in the next video, but hopefully we found a house for 6 of us for next year in a place where we want to be. So that's really exciting. And yeah, that's a little future update. So thank you. Oh, I'm very zoomed in now, sorry. There we go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed being a little bit nosy into this and basically having like an update on what's been going on, and that it maybe helped some of you. And if you think that it might help you or someone wanting to study here, wanting to study biochem or anything, definitely feel free to share it. And I really just hope that, yeah, it was fun for you. It was fun for me to like chat about stuff and like update you on everything, and I hope that you got a little insight into what's going on and that you will stick around for another video, and those ones that I mentioned, room tour and day in my life. So I'll see you very soon.